Welcome back. So now that we throw an error, how would you actually handle taking care of the error if we wanted to? Now again, this time we're just working with plain errors. We're not using observables right now. We're actually throwing a real error right here. So how do we handle that? Well, if I jump back to my add component right here, you can actually do like you can do in any C# program. You can wrap all of this in try catch. So let's try and do that. So let's just go in here and say try doing this, right? And then catch it if something goes horribly wrong, just like we've done so many times before in any programming language pretty much out there. So we have a catch right here. Now we can actually use that catch to, let's just throw an alert right here, saying something like, bad stuff happened, yeah, bad stuff, and then just put in the error right here. Again, this is really up to you how you want to handle it and how you want to use it. But that's kind of how you can use these plain errors right here. Just put in a catch, try catch around this, and just do whatever you want. You could redirect, you could throw an error, it's really up to you how you want to use it. But let's just try again to fake this, make it break. I'll do that by just removing the metadata right here and instead returning undefined right here. Now when it sends in undefined, you'll get into the add product image. This guy will say this guy is undefined. That means I need to throw an error, right? And the throw error will then go into my add component and say, whoops, this failed. So let's just catch the error and just play it out, right? So that's how simple it is to work with try catch and error handling. Let's try and put in some information right here like schnurf. I'll pick some kind of image and I'll just add it, and you'll see this time bad stuff, error, and then I got the error in here, right? So that's all I had to do. It's pretty amazing actually to work with errors like this. And again, if you're good at catching your errors, it's a lot easier as a developer to see where things fails. And with that information, it's a lot easier to solve the problem, right? So start using errors, start catching errors. Next lesson, I'll show you one more thing. I'll show you how we can actually use and subscribe to the error instead using observables. But this was just a very simple example on how you can actually throw errors and catch them again if you want to. See you next time. Have fun.